Well, we thank God. Today's ruling isn't just a personal vindication. It is a warning to the nation. For over a year, my accounts and those of my company were unlawfully frozen. This was not the pursuit of justice, but the result of lies, fabricated evidence, and a deliberate abuse of law. In that time, over 1,000 children, 1,000 young children, under our scholarship program, were forced out of school because their support was cut off. Imagine young children sitting at home, not because of poverty, but because corruption and conspiracy turned their future into collateral damage. This is the human cost of the misapplication of law. We must now confront the uncomfortable truth. Criminal syndicates exist within our banks, the Financial Intelligence Authority, even within the CID. Officers entrusted to protect the law have instead twisted it. In my case, a bank staff member supplied false information. Two police officers committed perjury under the Evidence Act, and the bank broke its duty under the Banking Act. Further, the state falsified documents in breach of the Penal Code and Article 26 of the Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, these were not mistakes. They were deliberate acts aimed at destroying my name for political ends. This corruption of information is the greatest evil. When the truth is falsified, justice is killed, children lose their education, businesses collapse, and citizens live in fear of their own institutions. But what's even worse is that moments after court delivered its ruling, just about an hour, security officers escorted two individuals claiming orders from one Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy Asiziwa, husband to Afande Edith Nakalema, and another alleged he was acting on instructions from Mrs. Charlotte Nankunda Kutesa Kainerugaba, wife of the CDF, to seize my property. The duo broke my office locks and sealed the premises with their own. This brazen takeover raises disturbing questions. How could the CDF's wife be linked to trespass? And why would Colonel Nakalema's husband provide security for intruders armed with dubious property titles? How could her husband provide security cover for intruders to break into my property, remove my locks, and insert their own? What crime have I committed to deserve this kind of treatment? I really want to have answers to these questions, and I wish they could answer, and if they are not in any way involved in these issues, the people who have done the same should be held accountable. I so beg. Thank you very much.